with that? Everything's okay? So, first I'd like to welcome Mr. Mike for being here in our class, and I'd like to welcome the other students as well. We're going to start Unit 9 today. So, in this part we're going to talk about the past. Times past. Things from the past. Before we start this, we're going to have a quick look at some of the famous Saudi people. It would be like a short knowledge quiz. Okay, I would like to see how much do you know about Saudi Arabia and Saudi people. So, at the first we're going to talk about famous Saudi people. I would like to know who are these people, okay, if you know them or no, when were they born, and where were they born. Okay, so just try to refresh your memory and see if you know these people and where and when were they born. Let's have a look at the first one. Who's this? King Abdullah. Of course, this is King Abdullah. Everybody knows him. Do you know any other information about King Abdullah? Do you know anything about him? Any more information? No. Okay. So have you got an idea where was he born? Was he born in Jeddah? Was he born in Riyadh? Was he born in Medina? In Mecca? Where was he born?
Riyadh.
He was born in where? Riyadh. Are you sure, or you're just guessing? Guessing, right? Okay, do you know when was he born? Have you got an idea about that? When was he born? No idea. Okay. So, King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz, the king of Saudi Arabia, was born in the capital city of Riyadh. He was born in Riyadh in 1924. Again, when was he born? He was born in 1924. Where was he born?
He was born
In Riyadh. Again, Khalid, who's this? Who's this person? King Abdullah. When was he born? When? The time, the year. Huh? Yes?
19 or 14?
1924. Thank you. Where was he born?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, let's move to the next person. Who's this? Huh? Who's this? This is Muhammad Noor. Who's Muhammad Noor? He is a famous Saudi footballer. Okay. Yes. Do you know when and where was he born? Yeah.
He was born in Jeddah.
He was born in Jeddah? You think, can you make a sentence? He
was born in Mecca.
Very good. He was born in Mecca. Ahmed, what do you think?
I think he was born in Mecca.
He was born in Mecca. Very good. Okay, what do you think?
He was from Mecca.
He was born in Mecca? Okay, when? Do you know when? Do you know how old he is? How old is this person?
40,
Again?
40, 30.
40, 30. 10-year difference. Come on, man.
40, 38.
38, 40, something like this. Okay. So, Muhammad Noor, the Saudi footballer, was born in Mecca. Okay, so most of your guessing was true. In what? How can we read this here? 1987. Again, when was he born?
1987.
In 1987. Where was he born?
Born in Mecca.
He was born in Mecca. Thank you. Yes? Who's this person? This is Dr. Muhammad Al-Arifi. Yes. When and where was he born?
He was born in Riyadh.
He was born in Riyadh. Very good. Okay. When was he born? You don't know? He was my student one day. I taught him in Riyadh.
50.
Okay. No idea about Dr. Muhammad Al-Arifi?
Okay,
40? He's around 40, I guess. Yeah, he's around 40. So, Dr. Muhammad Al-Arifi okay, the Islamic scholar and writer, was born in the capital city of Riyadh. When, Khalid? When was he born?
Yeah.
When?
When?
The year. In 1970. Ahmed, where was he born?
He was born in Riyadh.
He was born in Riyadh. When was he born?
1970.
In 1970. Omar, when was he born? When was he born?
In 1970.
In 1970. That's good. Okay, the next person should be easy for you. Who's this? Muhammad Al. Who's Muhammad Al?
He's a famous footballer.
He is a famous footballer. Very good. Okay. When and where was he born? No idea? No idea? So where did he used to play? Which club did he used to play for? He used to play for Al-Hilal. Okay. Well, Muhammad Al-Daya, the Saudi goalkeeper, when was he born? He was born in... No, not in Riyadh. How can we read this? Yes. He was born in Haib. Yes, he was born in Haib. Okay, when was he born?
1972.
In 1972. Again, Muhammad. Where was he born? Where?
Hi.
Okay, he was born in Haib. Again, Muhammad. Where was he born?
He was
Born
high.
in Haib. Okay, Khalid. When was he born?
In 1972.
Okay, yes, can you make a sentence? He
He was born in 1972.
in 1972. Thank you. Well, let's move to the next person. Who's this person? Do you know him? Yes, exactly. This is who? Muhammad Abdu. Who's Muhammad Abdu? Do you know him? He's a famous Saudi singer. Exactly, he's a singer. Okay, do you know anything about Muhammad Abdu? When, where was he born? Ahmed.
He was born in
He was born in Abha?
I think.
What do you think, Omar? Was he born in Abha or Makkah, Medina? What do you think? He was born in Abha. When? Can you guess? Abdurrahman. When was he born? Can you guess? He seems like quite an old man. 1960. I think you're close. Okay. Muhammad Abdu, the Saudi singer, was born in the city of Jazan. He was born in Jazan. Okay. When was he born? Ahmed?
He was
When? When? The time, the year.
1940.
He was born in 19... 1994, are you sure? 19, and this is 49. 1949, exactly. Again, where was he born? Where was Muhammad Abdu born? Jazan. Can you make a sentence? He was
born in Jazan city.
very good. When was he born?
He was born in 1949.
In 1949, exactly. Thank you. Well, who's this guy? Sami Jabir, right? Who's Sami Jabir? Another famous player. Okay. Have you got an idea about this person? When, where was he born? No? No idea? When was he born? Where was he born? Okay, which club did he play for? He played for Hilal. Okay. So, Sami al-Jabir, the Saudi footballer, was born in the capital city of Riyadh. He was born in Riyadh. When, Ahmed, when was he born? Again? 90? Are you sure?
90.
Yes, exactly.
72.
1972. Can you make it in a sentence? He
He was
Give me the year. When?
He was born in 1970.
In 1972. Where was he born, Omar?
He was born in the Caribbean.
Thank you. He was born in Riyadh. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Do you know this person? Yeah. Abdulaziz bin Baz. Okay. Yeah. Who's Abdulaziz bin Baz? He's Islamic scholar. Yes. Okay. Yeah. He's a sheikh. Yeah. I think he was a mufti of Saudi Arabia. This is Walid bin Baz? No, this is the person. Okay. Yeah, this is Sheikh Abdulaziz bin Baz. When was he born? Okay. He was in Saudi Mufti and was born in the capital city again of Riyadh in 1910. 1910. Okay, that's good. Now, tell me about yourself. When were you born? What year? When were you born? When were you born? 1905? How can I say this? 1995? Is that okay? That's right? Can you make it a sentence? I
was born in
19
95.
Again, Ahmed.
I was born in 1995.
Yes, exactly. 1995. You said your name Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad, when were you born?
I was born in Jeddah.
I was born in Jeddah. When?
When I was born in 1994.
In 1994. Okay, thank you. Well, how about you? When were you born?
1995.
Can you make a sentence?
I was born in 1995.
In 1995. Okay. So, again, another person, 1995. What's your name? Tariq. Okay, so we have Tariq and Ahmed were born in the same year. Okay, so Tariq and Ahmed was born? Can I say this? Tariq and Ahmed was born?
They were.
Yes, exactly. So Tariq and Ahmed was or were born in 1995? Again, Omar. Tariq and Ahmed where? Okay, exactly. Can you repeat the sentence again?
And Ahmed
Were born?
in 1995.
Exactly. Tariq and Ahmed were born in 1995. Who is this person? I think this is Khalid. Okay, so how can we make sentence about Khalid? Khalid was or where? Ahmed, what do you think? Khalid was. Can you make a sentence? Khalid
Khalid was born in 1995.
in 1995. Thank you, Omar. When were you born?
I was born in Mecca.
Okay, when?
When I was born in 1996.
60. 96. Okay. I was born in 1996. How about you, Rahman?
He was born in 1996.
1996. Okay. So who can make a sentence about the two of them? Who can make a sentence about the two of them? Omar and Abdurrahman. Okay. They.
were born 1996.
Thank you. Khalid, can you do it again?
Umar and Abdurrahman were born in 1996.
Can you do that again? We're born in 1996. How about you? When were you born? I was born. Again? Can you make a sentence again? I was born in 1995. Thank you. Exactly. Okay. So this is the way we read the years. How can we read the first one? Read this. 1995. How about this? 1994. How about this? 96. That one? 1995. Okay, how can we read this? Again? 1985. 80? That's not an 8, man. That's a 0. 1905. Thank you very much. That's 1905. Okay, what about this? How can we read this, Abdurrahman?
2010.
Yeah, exactly. I can say 2010 or there's another way of saying this. 2010. 2010 or 2010. Yes. 2010 or 2010. Okay. 2005. Exactly. Okay. Which year is this? 2014. Or I can say 20. 40 or 14 number?
40.
Again?
40.
40? Are you sure? 40? 14. Okay. What year is this at?
40.
This is
20.
2040.
40.
Again?
14.
14. And this?
2040.
40. Exactly. Thank you. Well, just have a look at the book. Okay. Let's go through these years. Okay, it's on page 64, the first page of Unit 9. Okay. I want you to go through these years and read them. Let's go through them one by one. Excuse me, can you read the first one? No, read it 2 numbers and then 2 other numbers. 1996. The next one.
1986.
Exactly, thank you. Next.
1960.
Very good. Next.
1960.
Good. Can you see this? Excuse me. Can you see this? Okay, come.
2010. And 10.
Very good. Or,
2010.
thank you, Ahmed.
2002
Or,
or 2000
good.
and 02.
No, 2002. 2002. Omar. 1699. Thank you.
1799.
Thank you.
1840.
Very good. The last one?
1945.
Okay. 40?
45.
Yes, exactly. Now we are going to listen to one of these years on the CD. Okay, listen and just underline the correct one. Like in the first one, we have got 2 years. We're going to listen to only one of them. Yes? Listen and underline the correct one.
Can I say 1000?
We don't usually say this. We don't say 1905. No, we don't say this. Okay? We say 1905, 1995. Yep. Okay. Ready to listen? Hold your pencil.
Years. 1. 1996. 2. 1916. 3. 2002. 4. 1799. 5. 1840.
Let's start with number 2. Yes, Khalid, number 2.
1960.
1916. Did you check the same? Okay, Omar. Number 3.
20 or
Or, we don't say it like this. We say 2.
2000.
Good. And
2.
exactly. Thank you. 2002. 4.
1799.
1799. Number 5. Muhammad. Number 5. What did she say? Number 5.
19,
Mm-hmm.
45.
No, she
No.
didn't say this. What did she say?
1940.
19.
Or 18.
That's not 19. Again?
1840.
18. 18 what?
40.
40. Thank you. Number 6. Can you say?
Number 6.
Hmm?
2005.
Very good. 2005. Well, in the next exercise, we are going to listen, okay, just for practice. Listen and repeat, okay? Say how they read these years.
Tape script 9.2.
1840, 1996, 2005, 2010, 2010.
Okay, are they difficult? That's good. Now I'm going to read some years, and I want you to write them. You can write them here in this space, okay? I'm going to say, read the years, and I want you to write them here, okay? Listen. Number 1, 1849. Write. Write it down. You can write it here. Again?
Yes, again.
Again, okay, I will. Is everybody ready to write? Yes. Again, number 1, 1849. Okay. 1627. 1627. Okay. 1940. 1940. Alright, I said 19. This is not 19. Okay. 2025. 2025. Hmm. Good. Okay, yes. 1440. 1440. Good. 1440. No. Good. Great job. Okay. Yes, 1970. Good. Good job. Great. Okay, that's good. Okay. Have a look at these people. Do you know this woman? No? Have you got an idea about this woman? Who's this woman? Is she Saudi? No, she's not, right? Definitely she's not. Okay, what do you think her job is? She's a very famous person. What do you think her job is? Do you think she's still alive?
No.
Is she still alive? The picture, the photo seems very, very old. Okay. Well, this is Jane Austen. Jane Austen, a famous writer. A famous writer. What's a writer?
English writer.
Yes, what's writer?
But
Yes, no, don't say it in Arabic. Tell me, what does she do? What does a writer do?
Write a story.
She writes stories, she writes what? Yeah, she writes books, she writes for the newspaper, okay? This is a writer, a person who writes. Okay, well, who's this guy? This is Ibn Sina. Okay, what was his job? A professor?
No.
A physician, like a doctor. Yes, he was a physician. Okay. Well, we have a passage, a short passage about these people. I want you to listen and write the year when they were born. Okay? Listen and complete the missing part. Listen and write.
Tape script 9.4. She was a writer. She was born in 1775. He was a philosopher. He was born in 980.
Would you like to listen again, or you got it?
Again, please.
Again, please.
Tape script 9.4. She was a writer. She was born in 1775. He was a philosopher. He was born in 980.
Okay, got it?
yeah,
So, when was she born?
she was
Yes?
she was born in 1775.
In 1775. Thank you. When was he born? Abdurrahman?
9.
Can you make a sentence? He
was born in 980.
980. Is it the same? Did you write 980? 980, right? Exactly. Good. So if we are going to make a sentence about the woman, I'll say she, about her job, I'll say she was a writer. She was a writer. She was born in, yes, 1775. How about him? He was a what?
Professor.
No, that's not a professor. How do you pronounce the PH together? PH, pronounce it So, philosopher. What's a philosopher? Yes, he's a person who thinks about the word and writes about it. Okay? Well, he is that is? Was. Can I say is? Can I say he is born?
No.
Why?
Because present.
Exactly, because that's in the past. Yes. He was born in 19. Did he say 19?
980.
Exactly. 980. He was born in 980. 980. It's like this. 980. Okay? Now, I want you to work in groups of 2. Okay? What you're going to do is to ask questions and answers. There were only 3 questions. There are only 3 questions that you're going to practice together. The first question is, how old are you? Okay? When were you born? And where were you born? Okay? When and where were you born? Okay? So you were 2. Can you work with them? Yep. 2. I'm going to work with you. Let's start with the name, Khaled? Tariq. Okay, I'm going to start with Tariq first. Tariq, how old are you? Okay, when were you born? I am born?
I was born.
Again, please. Thank you. I said when?
I was born 1996.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, where were you born?
I was born
I am 37. Huh? When?
When, where?
Again, please.
When?
When? Okay, so what's the first question again?
When, where,
The first question. How old are you? Okay, what's the next question?
when was you?
When,
When?
where?
Was you? Can I say that?
When were you?
When?
Where are you?
Yes. When?
Where?
Where? You born? Exactly. Okay, question number 3. The same question, but not about the time. I'd like to ask about the place. So, where? Where or was?
Where?
Sure.
Where?
Okay. Where you born? Okay. Can I use was here?
What?
Yes. Can I say where was you born? Can I say that? Why?
Because
You, exactly, because of the subject, you. Where were you? When were you? Okay, let's give the answer. How old are you? You say I. I am what? I am 19, I'm 20 years old. Okay. When were you born? Answer. I where? I was born in, give the year, in 19 whatever. Okay, where were you born? I was born. Again, please, Ahmed.
I was born in Jeddah.
Can you do this in groups of 2? Okay, you ask him 3 questions. When you finish, he's going to ask you. Okay, 2. You can work here. 2. Yes, 2 and 2. Go ahead. Don't make a sentence. Okay, done guys? Finished?
Yes.
Was it easy or difficult?
Yes.
Okay. So again now we said I was born, and when I asked you the question I said when, where, or where you born. Okay. When I use the subject I say I was or I were born.
I was.
I was. Okay. You
was.
was or where? You where? Again I
Was.
you he
Was.
he
Was.
she.
Was.
Okay, we where? And they
Where?
again they where? I
Was.
you
Were.
he
Was.
she.
Was.
Okay, it
Was.
we.
Were.
Okay, so I, he, she, it. Go with was or where?
Was.
Again, Khalid. I, he, she, it. Was or where? Okay. Well, we, you, they. Was or where, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman. We, you, they. Where? Ali was or where?
Ali was.
Ali was born or Ali were born?
Was.
Ali was. Okay, Ali and Ahmed. Ali and Ahmed. Where? My friend. My friend. My friend is. My friend is. My father. Was. My parents. My parents. Where? where? Okay, my cat. My cat was. Okay, my brothers. Where? Okay. Just have a look at the table here and complete the table with was or where. Can you see this table?
Yes.
Complete here with was or where. Go ahead. Write it down. Good. Good job, man. Done. Okay, so I was. Okay, you where? He, she, it was. Any singular noun, like the cat, the car, the house, my friend, my father, my brother, all these singular nouns go with was. Okay. We where? They where? Very good. Okay. Can you tell me the difference between and, is, are, and was and where? What is the difference between them? When do we use each one of them?
Present and
Exactly. Okay, look at me. If I'm talking about myself right now, I'll say, I, what? A teacher. Now, I am or I was? Now, I am a teacher. Okay? 20 years ago, I, a student. So I was a student. Okay, what day is it today? What day is it today?
Monday.
So today what? Is or was? Today is or was? Today is Monday. Okay, what about yesterday? Yesterday was. Okay, so today is Monday. Yesterday was. Which month is this? Which month is this? We're in October, right? So this is or was? Is. This is the month of October. This is October. Okay. Last month is or was? Okay. Last month's what? October. So this is last month. Sorry, was September. So this is October. Last month was September. Do you understand this? Okay. Well, now we are going to listen to Magali. Yes? Magali is going to tell us about her family. Yes? She's going to tell us about every member, every person in her family. She will give us the names. We have the names already written here. Magali, Tristan, Andre, Ella, Cecilia, Matt, and Edith. These are the names of people in her family. Okay? I want you to listen and write when was each of them born. Okay? So the first one, Magali, was born in 1994. Okay? Listen and write the years of their birth. Okay? Ready? Hold your pencil. Listen and write.
Tape script 9.6. Magali Drama.
My name's Magali. It's a French name, but I'm not French. I'm English. I was born in 1994. I have 2 brothers and a sister. My eldest brother's a doctor. His name's Tristan, and he was born in 1985. My sister is also older than me. Her name's Cecilia, and she's a teacher, and she was born in 1988. And my little brother is Matt, and he was born in 1996. He's still a student. My father is French. His name's Andre. He's from Marseille, and he was born in, I think, 1958. My mother is English. Her name's Ella. Ella. She's from Manchester, and she was born in 1961. My grandmother, who is my mother's mother, is called Edith. Isn't that a lovely name? She was born in Bristol in, I'm not sure, but I think about 1935.
Did you get them all?
Yeah, please.
Again, everybody? Ahmed. Did you do it? No? Ahmed.
Yes.
Yes, you've done them all?
Yes.
Good. Khalid, you missed one? Ahmed, how many did you miss? Only one? Okay. Well, listen again.
Tape script 9.6. Magali Drum.
Look, this is the order of them. She's going to start with her brother, Tristan, Celia, Matt, and then Andre, Ella, and Edith. Okay? This is the order.
Drummer.
My name's Magali. It's a French name, but I'm not French. I'm English. I was born in 1994. I have 2 brothers and a sister. My eldest brother's a doctor. His name's Tristan, and he was born in 1985. My sister is also older than me. Her name's Cecilia, and she's a teacher, and she was born in 1988. And my little brother is Matt, and he was born in 1996. He's still a student. My father is French. His name's Andre. He's from Marseille, and he was born in, I think, 1958. My mother is English. Her name's Ella. She's from Manchester, and she was born in 1961. My grandmother, who is my mother's mother, is called Edith. Isn't that a lovely name? She was born in Bristol in, I'm not sure, but I think about 1935.
Okay? Got it? Let's see. When was Magali born? The first one? Magali, when was she born?
1994.
Can you make a sentence?
1994.
Yeah, make a sentence.
She was born
She
in
was-
1994.
Again?
She was born in 1994.
Again, Omar, can you repeat that?
She was 19.
She was what?
Born
Yes?
1995.
1990?
Right.
This is 5?
Four.
4. Okay. Well, Tristan. When was Tristan born? Hamid. When was Tristan born? Tristan.
1995.
Again, can you make a sentence? He
He was
born. He was born.
1995.
Are you sure?
No.
1995?
No.
So when?
He was born in 1985.
1985. 1985. Okay. So again, Hamid, repeat the sentence. Hamid.
He
He
was
born.
1985.
Was born in
1980.
Okay, the next one. Cecilia. When was Cecilia born? Khaled.
She was born in 1988.
Very good. Again, can you repeat this, Ahmed?
1988.
She, make a sentence.
She was born in 1988.
Very good. Okay. Matt. When was Matt born? Abraham.
He was born in 1996.
Very good. He was born in 1996. Andre. When was Andre born?
He was in 19.
He was.
He was born in 19.
Very good. Again, can you repeat this, Omar? Andre.
He was born in 1988.
Very good. Ella. Can you say Ella? When was Ella born?
She was born
She
was
Good.
born 19.
You missed something. She was born.
19
No, there's something missing. She was born in.
in 1961.
Again.
She was born in 1961.
Very good. Okay, Edith. When was Edith born? Well, can you answer this question? When was Edith born?
She is.
She is?
She was born in 1935.
In 1935. Ahmed, repeat it. Again, say what you said.
She was born in 1955.
Very good. Okay. Now, I want you to write 3 names of people in your family. Write 3 names of people in your family. Okay? Like the way I'm going to do right now. I'll say, for example, Tariq. Okay. Hamad. And Said. Okay? These are 3 people in my family. Yes? Let's add a female. Okay, Tariq, Muhammad, and Had. I want you to ask me about these people. Ask the first question about Tariq. Who is Tariq? Again, Omar, ask me this question.
Who is
He is my brother. Can you ask about the day or the year when he was born? Who can make a question?
When were he born?
When were he? Where he?
When was he born?
Again.
When was he born?
Very good. When was he born? He was born in I think he was born in 1965. Where?
Where was he born?
Very good. He was born in Cairo. Where was he born? He was born in Cairo. Okay, let's talk about the next Muhammad. Ask me the first question. Who?
Who is Muhammad?
Muhammad is my father. When?
When he was born.
When?
When was he born?
When was he?
Born.
Again.
When was he born?
Yes. He was born in 1954. Okay. Where? Yes.
Where was he born?
Very good. Can you repeat this again?
Where was?
Where was?
Where was? And
Where was he?
born?
Again.
When was he born?
Ask about the place. Where?
Where was he born?
Very good. He was born in Giza, Egypt. Okay. Next, Halab. Ask about Halab. The first question.
Who's that?
Very good. She's my daughter. Next question. When?
When was she born?
Very good. Again.
When was she born?
Again, Abdurrahman.
When was she born?
Yes. She was born in 1996. Okay. Where? Yes.
Where she was born?
Where?
Where was she born?
Where was she born? Again, on.
Where was she born?
Ahmed.
Where was she born?
Ahmed.
Where was she born?
Very good. She was born in Cairo. Okay? So what you need to do now is to write 3 names like this. Okay? 3 people in your family. And your friend is going to ask you about these people. Write 3 names, 3 people in your family, and then your friend is going to ask you about these people. Well, Khalid, can you please come here? Khalid, can you swap the place with me? Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay, now you work together. Omar, can you please come here? Yeah, you work together. You 2. You work with this man, 2 and 2. Go ahead. Yeah. You've already done this. You can work in group 3. Write 3 names. Write 3 names. Write down 3 names. Write in your book anywhere. Write 3 names. Where are the names? Okay, good. Did you write the names? Write 3 names quickly. you write the names? Finish? Did you write the names? Where are they? Right here. Anywhere. Just 3 names. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Ask him about these people. Who is? When was he born? Where was he born? Say, I was understood writing. Come on. Quickly. Yeah. Go ahead. Together. Oh no, you work here. You work here with this one. You work here with this one. You're free. You're left behind. Can you work here with this one? Excuse me, can you work here? Yeah, work with this one. Just 3 names, write 3 names anywhere. Where are the names that you wrote? Where are the names? In my mind, okay, tell him the name. Tell him the name. Abdullah, ask him about what's the name? Yes, sir? Yusuf? Is my ask him the next question. When? When was he? Yeah, look, this is the question. It's written here. Yeah, when was he born? The same question, maybe, but choose when. Choose where. Okay? Where?
Where was he born?
He was born in
Who is? She is my sister. My sister.
when was she born?
She
was born in 2000.
Where was she born? Where was
born, not grown. Born. Well, right now we are going to play in a group, okay? But this time